All right, guys, so Paul Bates here, and today I want to talk about my channel and how much money I made last month, because I told you guys I would do that at $500 mark, so let's go over it real quick. So it's MB Loop Princess, Trawler Lifestyle, no regret. Now, my channel originally started out, it was just a hobby and something to keep me busy on the weekends and stuff like that, and when I had spare time, but now I'm trying to, and that's why I want to give you hope, that I am trying to get it to where I can make a full-time income and living off of it. And it's going to take a little while. I understand that. There's no different than any other business that you might try and start. So this is the month right here where I made the money. This was last month right here because I just got my check like yesterday or the day before, I believe. Subscribers, this is a big month. Got a lot of subscribers. 998 for my channel. That was amazing. That was a lot of subscribers. And then my income for last month was $654.41. So let's go over the video right here, my number one video right here. I'll show it to you. And we'll watch just a second. And the only reason I want to share this with you is because it's just like, it's hard to explain, but it's just like the stock market. It's when I pick a stock, and I want to buy a stock, and I'm like, this one, more of them lose money than make money, trust me. But the ones that do make money usually make pretty decent money. So look at this video right here, 27,000 views, almost, it's getting close to 30,000 views. And this is just one that I did last month. It gained me 286 subscribers. I made $100 just on this one video. And it's no different from any other video that I've done. Look, and the reason I'm sharing this video with you, you just never know. You just never know what's going to happen. You don't know which video it is. This video is, literally, it's no different than any one of my other videos that I do. It really isn't. Yeah, it's the same videos I put out, but look at all these boats, man. It was crazy that day. Just absolutely crazy. We're trying to pull into a slip here, right in the middle of all that stuff. But anyway, it really was no different than any other day. I've got to jump into my channel more and just look at, what's doing well and what's not doing well. Look at these subscribers, 286, 47, 95 subscribers. That was a lot of subscribers right there. And that's just last month. So, and then you want to look for anything that's negative and, try and stay away from those subjects or, move on, do something else. But anyway, you can see last month, didn't lose a ton of subscribers. And we got a lot of subscribers. These top videos right here, they did really, really well for me. So anyway, if you got any questions or anything like that, just leave a comment down below. These videos, all my videos aren't for everybody, but if you're interested in it, just give me a comment down below and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Anyway, thanks. I appreciate it. Bye.